Hey, welcome back, and nice to have you with me again. Today, I'm going to talk about a career which is a very interesting career. It's the only career where you can put your legs up and then earn lots of money. And why won't students want something like that? It is something that I've been doing for a number of years, and I have helped a number of students to achieve success in this particular area, and that is as a commercial pilot. Now, a lot of people must be wondering that the airline industry is undergoing certain restrictions which have been placed by the government, and the passenger volume is down. So, is this a viable carrier to take up right now? I would say absolutely. You know, the world has never been able to tame the humans, neither disease, nor wars, nor any other thing. Humans get back to traveling. Humans are exploratory in nature. And the primary means that is coming up nowadays to travel is air, because one, it is low cost, it saves a lot of time. And if we need aircrafts that have to travel, that means we need airports, and then we need aeroplanes, and then we need people to fly those aircrafts. That is a huge demand. The first thing that's going to bounce back even before the hospitality, the hotel industry, is the airline industry, because the transportation industry, which includes the airline in a large component now, bounces back. It's then people will travel and go to different hotels, and that's going to also increase the global tourism industry. So this is something that's going to happen within the next 6 to 8 months, and it's best if you're prepared for it. So, how do you prepare for getting a commercial pilot license? It's a very simple process. We have been doing this for years. We know how to do it. So, it's a simple two-stage process. You enroll with us. We will take you through training of certain subjects that you need to know to become a commercial pilot license. Who teaches you these subjects? They are experts who have been flying for a number of years, and commercial pilot license holders. They will not only teach you the subjects, that also give you certain contextual examples and scenarios as they're teaching you the theoretical part of it. There are 5 subjects that you need to finish. You need to give a DGC exam, and then you need to go for your flying part, which is about 200 hours. That's the part two. You need to ensure that you go to a flying club. We already will be giving you training on the aircrafts that DGCA specify you need to get your training on. You'll be given exactly in the kind of requirement that the DGCA says that you need to fly. For example, certain amount of landings, takeoffs, cross country flying, instrument flying. As pilot in charge, we will we will be making sure that you get all those, and then we submit your theory marks and your flying logbook, and you get your license. And what's the best part? The starting salary once you get into as an airline pilot starts at about 1.75 lakhs, and within 5 to 7 years you will be touching 7 lakhs a month. Tell me one job in this world that gives you this kind of a salary. So contact us, and we will tell you how to make this dream a reality. Thank you.